Why are so many people into meditation these days? It seems to be a trend for people who get into self-help to eventually move towards mindfulness. And meditation reigns supreme as one of the best activities to do to gain mindfulness and increase overall happiness. But how does sitting for 20 minutes a day, focusing on your breath, actually help anyone? On the surface, it just seems like a big waste of time. Yet, so many people are reporting profound effects on their state of mind and being. I think a lot of people hear about it and they try meditation in order to also reap these benefits, which include reduced stress, increased self-awareness and focus, and greater happiness. I was one of those people. I heard about all the benefits, and that's why I started meditating about a year ago. All I would do was sit down, try to force my legs into a lotus position, and then focus on my breath for about 5 minutes or so. I was more into the idea of what meditation was and how it made me appear rather than the true purpose of meditation. A few weeks ago, I started taking meditation more seriously by starting the meditation sidekick journal made by Habit Nest. And on this 66-day journey, I had this epiphany while reading a passage. The real reason people meditate is to build your relationship with yourself. For the longest time, I missed something that was so simple because all I was focused on was my outward progress and how meditation could help me with that outward progress. Don't get me wrong. All the benefits I listed earlier are indeed reasons why people meditate. But when I learned this from the meditation journal, it shifted my perception of meditation just enough to really make me feel that building and transforming my relationship with my internal self is the true purpose of meditation. There's a lot of different types of meditation, and I'm sure each of them have their own sort of distinct benefit. I'm definitely considering making a video about all the different types of meditation that I learned while going through this journal. As of writing this script, I'm currently on the second week of the meditation journal, so there's a long ways to go for me. What I found interesting though is that having guidance and following the journal's steps on each day is actually really fun. It makes the process feel like an experience and a journey, rather than I'm gonna do the same thing over and over again in hopes that I do it better. And I'll be completely candid with you guys. The journal was a gift from Habit Nest in exchange for a review. However, this video isn't the review. I plan on making that after I finish all 66 days, but I gotta say that I'm enjoying it so far and would definitely recommend it to anyone who's a bit lost about what to do for meditation, or if you just want to go through a fun meditation learning experience. There will be an affiliate link below if you guys are interested. If you guys decide to use the link, you'll be supporting this channel, so thank you very much. Anyways, I hope that this video could open a new perspective for those of you who are interested in meditation. I know that I was stuck for the longest time making meditation about my outward progress, so maybe some of you guys think similarly. Or maybe not. Maybe I was just clueless. Let me know what your primary reason is for meditating in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.